Quite what constitutes formality these days in Europe isn't clear. A meeting on Monday of EU leaders was supposed to be informal, yet it had all the hallmarks of seriousness normally seen in Brussels. It wasn't helped by the shadow of economic warfare started by the new American president.
We'll be doing something very substantial with the European Union. We're going to bring the level up to where it should be. And if you think of the European Union, then you go to NATO, it's largely the same group of countries.
Unsurprisingly, NATO leader Mark Rutte joined his former peers at the meeting that was supposed to focus on defence. Economics, however, rather than security, was likely to be the chief talking point.
If the United States and the US start the trade war, then the one laughing on the side is China. We are very interlinked. We need America and America needs us as well.
European stock markets fell on Monday in reaction to the news amid bets the EU leaders would respond.
It's simple. We think the priority is the strategic agenda and the security of our borders. If we are attacked on trade topics, as a power that holds, Europe has to make itself respected and react.
Both the US and Europe benefit from the exchange of goods and services. If customs policy now makes this difficult, it will be bad for the USA and bad for Europe.
If the EU imposes tariffs on the US as well, the implication for the EU economy will potentially be significant, with weaker growth and higher inflation. Being an important trading partner for the UK, that will have implication on the UK as well.
A spokesperson for the European Commission said the EU plans to respond firmly to any tariffs on EU goods, and the pain is likely to go both ways. Trump's comments have appeared to focus on goods trade alone. According to Eurostat, the EU exports more to the US than it imports, with a deficit of almost $160 billion in 2023. In services, however, it's the other way around, with a US surplus of around $106 billion. Some EU leaders appeared more hopeful than others that diplomacy could yet ease tensions. Resolving Trump's looming trade war for Europe, however, may take more than an informal lunch. Flynn, TRT World.